सभी का स्वागत है स्टडी एग्जाम में। दोस्तों आज आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छे टॉप 20 क्वेश्चंस लेके आया हूँ मैं बेसिक साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग के लिए, आरआरबी ईयर के टेक्नीशियंस के लिए। ये पार्ट 2 है आपका यूनिट एंड मेजरमेंट के लिए। सो फ्रेंड्स आगे बढ़ते हैं इस वीडियो के साथ। जो लोग पहले मैं उन लोग से बोलूंगा जो लोग इस चैनल पर नए हैं वो लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर जरूर करेंगे। ओके फ्रेंड्स, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन के साथ। पहला क्वेश्चन, हायर स्पीड इज सीन इन higher speed is seen in what? Faster moving object, slower moving object, constant moving object, or still object? The correct answer is A. It's the faster moving object. Okay, friends. Next question. An average speed is equal to the distance which is traveled divided by average speed is equal to total distance which is traveled divided by taken time, speed limit, direction, or area. The correct answer is A. It's taken time. Okay, friends. Next question. Types of balance includes beam balance, electronic balance, both A and B, or natural balance. The correct answer is it's C. Both A and B. Beam balance and the electronic balance. Volume of seashells, pebbles, and the keys can be measured by measuring cylinder, displacement method, vernier caliper, or measuring flask. The correct answer is B. It's displacement method. Okay, friends. Let's move on to the next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉरी इसका आंसर है आप लोग का बी, डिस्प्लेसमेंट मेथड. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. साइंटिस्ट यूज टू मेजर अ केमिकल्स वॉल्यूम, लेंथ, कलर और शेप. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, इट्स वॉल्यूम. नेक्स्ट, इन ओल्ड डेज मेथड ऑफ मेजरिंग पर inaccurate, correct, accurate or perfect. The correct answer is A, it's inaccurate. Next question. In our everyday life activities, we need estimation, accurate measurements, both A and B, or the appearances. The correct answer is both A and B. That estimation and the accurate measurements. Sorry, in our everyday life we need. Okay, friends, both A and B. For every short interval, we mostly use stop clocks, stopwatches, both A and B, wall clocks. The correct answer is C, both A and B. Apparatus commonly used to measure volume of liquid is measuring cylinder, measuring tapes, jar, cylinder. The correct answer is A. It's measuring cylinder. Apparatus commonly used to measure volume of liquid is measuring cylinder. Standard meter is defined as distance which is traveled by light in 1 by 2997925 of a second through vacuum, space, air or water. The correct answer is answer A. It's vacuum. Okay, friends. Next question. Hourglass was used in past days to know time, length, mass, or the volume. The correct answer is A. It's time. Sonia is tall is observation which is qualitative, quantitative, both A and B, or respected. The correct answer is it's A. Qualitative. Sonia is tall is observation which is qualitative. Length of a distance which is covered in a specific time is called distance, displacement, speed, or the forces. The correct answer is it's C, speed. Next question. A special feature of vernier caliper is that it can measure up to 0.1 mm, 1 mm, 2 mm, or 0.10 mm. The correct answer is it's A. It's 0.1 mm. A physician needs to make a medicine so that he will be needing for his herbs accurate mass, shape, smell, or the volume. The correct answer is A. It's mass. Next question. Sum of amount of matter in a substance is called its mass, weight, length, or the volume. Correct answer is A. It's mass. Next question. Amount of 1 liter contains what? 100 ml, 1000 ml, or 10 mm or 10 kg? The correct answer is B. It's 1000 ml. Next question. 10,000 meter per second is speed of a aeroplane, rocket, satellite signal or the car. The correct answer is C. It's the satellite signal. Kilo means in SI is 1,000, 100, 10 or million. It's A. 1000. A smallest division which is found in a measuring tape is 1 mm, 10 mm, 5 mm, 0 mm. Correct answer is A. It's 1 mm. Okay, friends, just move. So, friends, that's all for today. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. Friends, do like, share, subscribe this video with your friends. एंड जो लोग फ्रेंड्स इस चैनल पे नए हैं वो लोग सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें फ्रेंड्स। जय हिंद, जय भारत।